In this video, I'm going to show you how to subtract mixed numbers from whole numbers. So let's say we have the problem 6 minus 2 and 1/4. Anytime I'm working with addition or subtraction computation with fractions, I'm going to write my problem vertically. And I'm going to split things into two columns, a whole number column and a fraction column. So I have 6 minus 2 wholes and 1/4. Just like with subtracting fractions from whole numbers, I need to find out if I can take my fraction away, if I have something to take it away from. So I'm going to look at the fraction number column right here, and I don't see anything above 1/4, so I'm going to have to do some regrouping. So I'm going to think of this 6 right here as the same thing as 5 plus 1 whole. I'm going to take that 1 whole and I'm going to move it into the fraction column. When I move it into the fraction column, it takes the name of the fraction, which in this case is fourths, and 1 whole is the same thing as 4/4. So what I now have is I have a new problem that is 5 and 4/4, which is the same thing as my original problem of 6, minus 2 and 1/4. So I can take 4/4 minus 1/4 is 3/4. And 5 wholes minus 2 wholes is 3 wholes. So I have an answer of 3 wholes and 3/4. Let's look at another example. Let's say I have 8 minus 3 and 5/6. I'm going to write this vertically. 8 over here, 3 and 5/6. I'm going to look at my fractions first. So I'm trying to take 5/6 away from nothing, which I can't do. I know there's going to be some regrouping, so I'm going to think of this as 7 plus 1 whole. I'm going to take that 1 whole and move it over to the fraction column. It takes the name of the fraction, which is 6. 6/6 is equal to 1 whole. So my new problem becomes 7 and 6/6, which is the same thing as 8, minus 3 and 5/6. 6/6 minus 5/6 is 1/6, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So my answer is 4 and 1/6.